Guys, what are you watching? What are you watching? Um, last night I was watching this movie and it was so crazy. My daughter is crying, guys. What is Lily going to be doing, really? She's going to come back here and she's going to crawl. She's going to crawl. Lily, come this side, come this side. You can without permission. Lily, on this side, we are. Yay! You're not funny. It's okay with you though. Are you cool with doing, guys? You know, baby is so curious and insane. 100% sure that it's not safe to sleep on with her. I have to go and sleep on the floor. I have to sleep on the floor, guys, because normally my mom first said she's sleeping shortly after maybe around 8. I know, and she's very much active on bed. She will be rolling up bed like she is really good. And then she will sleep. The problem is I'll open, but we're reaching that stage where it's not gonna sit.